This is the tutorial where I show you how to create animated stories for kids using ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT and search for any story you want from AI. Once it is complete, copy the text and paste it to Note. Then go to Google and search Blue Willow. Click on the first website and join the free beta. You need Discord for it. Creates your server and adds a Blue Willow bot to your server once it is done. Type /imagine prompt. Now go back to Note and paste the first 2 lines here. It gives you a picture based on that word. You have to wait a bit. Now select the pic you like the most. I like U2 and U4, so I go with it, then save the images. Now you need an AI voice. Go to Google and search 11 Lab here. You need to log in. Now you can use various voices to create a voice. I like the Bella one. I go with it now. Paste the text here and download your AI voice now.
Named Liam, who lived in a sleepy town at the edge of a forest. Liam was a curious boy who loved exploring the woods and watching the animals play.
You can use any editing app. I go with Power Director. Now combine the picture and add the voice. Do the adjustment with the AI voice. Put the song behind, and this is the result.
Named Liam, who lived in a sleepy town at the edge of a forest. Liam was a curious boy who loved exploring the woods